Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to auto-generate emails from Google Sheets data. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to go ahead to Google App Script. Right? For more control, such as sending emails based on specific triggers like a form submission or date reaching a deadline, you can use Google Apps Script. So what we're going to do, in your sheet, go to your extensions, press App Script. It's going to take you to this dashboard. Right? Now use the mail app.send email or Gmail app.send email function to loop through rows and send messages. Next, what we're going to do, we're going to set up triggers. In the Apps Script editor, click the clock icon, which resembles triggers. Inside, I'm going to wait for a few moments. And as you can see, I don't have a trigger activated yet. So I'm going to press Add Trigger at the bottom right. And set the event source to time-driven. Okay. Time-driven. And select the hour interval. Every hour, every 6 hours, etc. Okay. Or every day at 8 a.m. or on form submit. And basically, that's it. That's how you basically automate sending emails based on specific triggers. So consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps. See you in the next one.